Hey, what's up guys? I'm here pre-blizzard with my broken foot and we are about to get pounded pretty bad. I just got a blizzard warning on my phone and we're supposed to get around 9 to 15 inches of snow in the next 24 hours. So it should be pretty fun even though I can't do much. I'm still going to go out there and film a video. So I'll get back to you guys when it starts snowing and should be lit. Hey guys, I'm back out here again. We got some snow about 3 days ago. Sorry for no videos, but I've been busy making money snow shoveling around even though I'm on crutches. But I'm on the way to go make a deposit, and then later we're going to be going to the thrift store. Probably going to throw in some cinematic sequences, so let's get into that right about now. Okay, so I'm here at the bank about to make it a quick deposit. I'm gonna meet up with Alex and then I'm gonna go to the thrift store, probably pick up some stuff and try and sell it. Me and Alex just got out here from the thrift, bought a couple games. Gonna put them up on Mercari for pretty cheap, but they're pretty good games, so they should sell pretty fast. Tight lit out here, bro. We don't play. We don't play with nothing. Yeah. How are you doing? Hurt myself jumping off a roof. Almost died. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so that's about it for this video, so see you next video, and make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.